First of all, there were so many different aspects that we learned over the period of time. It was hard to pinpoint one particular one, but I would have to say one that stood with me was the wisdom of the geese. And basically that was about teams, and it showed that we cannot do this by ourselves. We have to work together. The formation of the geese, where there's a leader, when that leader gets tired, they kind of fall back and another person takes the lead. So as leaders, we sometimes will get tired. So we also need to sometimes take a step back, give the reins to someone else to do a task while we recover and kind of get back into flight. And one of the other aspects of that video was that everyone is always cheering you on. So they're honking at you to keep you as a leader going. So they're always cheering you on to keep going. And when one of the geese is sick, to go down to help it either recover or stay with it. So it just always goes to show that you always need, you can't do it alone. You need someone else there with you or more than one person. Yes, I would recommend a leadership workshop to others. It was probably one of the best workshops I've ever attended. It was well organized, it was on time, the persons presenting were really good, and it was always very energetic. You never felt like it was a long day. You kept going, and I learned so much about leadership and all, like how to be a better leader in my personal life, in my work life, and I really think so many people benefit from that.